What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. Another Magisk module is here which we're going to talk about. If you are worried about RAM consumption, if you're having a high kind of RAM consumption on your device and you want low RAM consumption, or basically you want to improve the RAM management of your device, you can give it a try. This module is called Low RAM Flag, and all thanks goes to its developer. If you want to give it a try, you can. And if you are a user who's worried about your device and thinking about boot loop and other kind of issues, I recommend you not to use these kind of modules or stay away from these kind of modules. This module enables the low RAM flag to reduce RAM consumption, and of course if you're using MIUI, One UI and something like these custom ROMs, I'm not sure about this. If you're using AOSP based custom ROM or normal stock, and you can give it a try. If you're having some issues with games etc, you can give it a try, and installation is same like other Magisk modules, so I don't think so I need to tell you about that. It's very easy to install. By the way, click on install from storage and you are good to go. Select this file, it shouldn't take much time, and after the installation of this module, of course you need to reboot your device, because without reboot the things will not work for you. Also, alongside with this module, or if you install these modules, you can also try out to customize these things from a kernel manager. I'm using right now Franco kernel manager here. You can also use it on your device. The link for that build is in the description. Through this kernel manager, kernel auditor, you can simply customize your device things. You can customize the kernel settings, display controls, CPU, GPU. You can customize these profiles, memory schedule. A lot more things are already here to customize on your device. Everything depends upon you. Whichever thing you want to use, you can also enable some custom kernel features, but it also matters if you are using a custom kernel, then these things will be applied. If your kernel does not support, you will not be able to do anything. Very simple thing, very simple Magisk module. And if you want to give it a try, link to install this module is in the description. And also, as I previously mentioned you, if you're having any kind of boot loop issues, anything like that, you can simply uninstall that Magisk module from recovery. There are two methods to uninstall that module from custom recovery, which I already made a video on, so make sure to watch out that video in case something goes wrong on your device. Only these were things I just wanted to let you know, and I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me as always. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.